Today I'm going to break down a straightforward 5-step system for optimizing your PPC keywords. This includes bid adjustments and budgeting. Before we jump in though, remember our focus should always be on TACOS, total advertising cost of sale, not just ACOS, your advertising cost of sale. Why? Because it's about the big picture, boosting organic rankings, enhancing your profitability or improving your profitability, and not just looking for performance of individual campaigns. I'm Dr. Travis Ziegler, a retired optometrist who achieved financial time and location freedom by building an online business to $500,000 per month and then selling it for a multi-million-dollar exit. I did this by focusing on Amazon PPC and my perpetual sales machine system. I've also helped other brands exceed $10 million per year in sales through my agency. Unlike many gurus, I have real experience in creating successful businesses online and specifically on Amazon. But enough about me, let's switch over to my screen and jump into the 5-step system for adjusting bids inside your Amazon PPC ads. All right, so here we are inside Campaign Manager again, and you're gonna come over here to Sponsored Ads and Bulk Operations. When you click that, it's gonna bring you to this screen right here. I want a date range that's a little bit broader. I don't want to go with yesterday's date range. It's not going to give me enough data. And so what we're going to do is we're going to download about a 60-day report. So we're going to go date range, go back as far as we can, essentially, April 5th. And I do like to leave a little attribution. So I don't want to go right to the 4th. And so we'll go to the 1st, and that's going to leave a 3-day attribution to let sales catch up to the data. We're going to create a spreadsheet for download right here. You don't really need to touch much of this. This is going to give pretty much everything that you have. And you don't want to bring in campaigns that have 0 impressions or terminated campaigns. These are just going to be active campaigns. So we're going to click that. It's going to be requested, and you can see down here that it's requested on June 4th, 2024. And then what you can do is just kind of refresh, and depending on how much data you have, it may take a little while to download this report or to make this report. Okay, you can see now after about 15 to 20 minutes, it has appeared. So I'm going to click download. After it downloads, I'm going to come back to this Google Sheet. I'm going to go to import. We're going to click upload, browse. See this bulk report right here. We're going to create a new spreadsheet and open it up. We're going to click open now, and it's going to pull it up. And so what we're going to do here is come to sponsored product campaigns right here. You can see there's quite a bit of information in here. What I'm going to do is just copy this to a new spreadsheet. The reason I like to do this is I like to manipulate this in order to make some changes to it and then take it back over to the other spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm pretty much going to take all of this. I don't really need to have any of this visible, so I'm just going to hide it. And what I'm going to focus on is just your cost per click right here, according to your conversion rate and everything. And we're going to calculate our maximum cost per click. And so what I'm going to do is make a couple columns to the right. We're going to do maximum CPA, maximum CPC, just like we did in the other video. Your maximum CPA is what you calculated in a previous video. It's essentially your profit margin. And so your profit margin is going to be, or your profit, not your profit margin, it's $591. So I'm going to put maximum cost per acquisition right here. I'm going to go all the way down. And then what I'm going to do here is we're going to calculate this. It's going to be maximum cost per acquisition times your conversion. And that's going to be in dollars as well. And so this is what we're going to be changing our cost per click over here in order to make the changes. So you can go into each individual campaign and make that, but you don't have to. So what you can do is you can just take this whole column and we're going to copy it. And I'm going to take it back to that original campaign. We're going to find our cost per click here, which is right there. And I'm going to right click, paste special, values only. And that will change all the cost per clicks that we're going to change according to the campaign and according to just the math. This is essentially what's going on inside software. It's changing the bid based on what your target is, and based on what we're doing is we're basing it on your break-even target. And so it will change all those. Then what you can do is you can download this as an XLS file. So go to File, Download XLS. We're gonna go back to Campaign Manager, see if we can get our bulk sheets to work. There we go. We're gonna choose File. And then we're going to upload this right here. Once you upload that, it will start to make those updates inside your file. Again, if you're not comfortable doing that, you can adjust your bids inside each individual campaign. But I just showed you a way to update pretty much all your campaigns that are active in about 2 seconds. So it doesn't take that long. And what we're doing that is we're basing it on your maximum cost per acquisition in the break-even ACOS target. Your action items for this video. Download your bulk downloads report. Regularly pull this report, usually weekly, to stay updated on your campaign's performance and then to adjust your bids. Number 2, calculate your max cost per click. Use the formulas to determine the optimal cost per click for your keywords. Number 3, adjust bids in Campaign Manager if you're not comfortable doing like a bulk update. Or if you are comfortable doing a bulk update, upload that bulk update. Implement your new maximum cost per clicks or your bids, enhance the effectiveness of your campaigns. Number 4, schedule weekly reviews. Make this process a part of your weekly routine to continually optimize your PPC efforts. Number 5, if you're starting to feel overwhelmed by all the intricacies of Amazon PPC, simplify your journey with automation. Discover how we use software and automate bid adjustments on an hourly basis. This is also known as day parting, to make this easier inside of our perpetual sales machine. Our exclusive program offers in-depth insights into automation techniques used in our agency. Become part of our mastermind and learn more at freedomflywheel.com. Remember, Amazon PPC isn't just about setting up campaigns and letting them run on autopilot. It's an ongoing process of testing, analyzing, and refining. By focusing on TACOS, not just ACOS, and implementing these 5 steps, you're not just playing the game, you're strategically winning it. Your bids will be updated every time you perform this task. Again, software can automate this for you, and it will do this for you every single hour. It will increase your bids during times of high conversion rate, and it will lower your bids in times of low conversion rate. Again, if you're interested in learning more, sign up at freedomflywheel.com.
Hey, I wanted to thank you for watching this video, and I picked out another video just for you. So make sure you check out that other video. And what do they need to do? Do they need to like and subscribe? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content.